This is the story of how great apes changed to Homo sapiens, and we are going to learn how they began to socialize. Let us take a tour of how they were. How did they look like? In the photographs, you can see how hairy their skin were. Look at the hands and the legs. Look how the hands are little longer than that of the legs. Look at the skull, the head. The size of the head is much bigger than that of the man. Notice the features of the face. See how small and round the eyes are. Look at the broad and protruding forehead. Look at the protruding lower jawline and how blunt the nose were with bigger nostrils. Where did the early man live? This is a very important question. Since early men were wild like other animals, they also used to live in jungles with the other species. And they mostly used to sleep on trees. Now you must be wondering, what did the early man eat? They did not know farming, and hence they spent most of their time looking for food. Early man ate mostly plants, fruits, nuts, and roots found in the jungle. They also used stones to kill small animals and ate their raw flesh. Now you must be wondering, where did the early man used to sleep? Well, they did not know how to build houses or huts, so they mostly used to sleep on trees, and they also lived in the caves of the mountains. In this picture, learn the usage and the changes of the hands and the feet. See how the thumb has helped the Homo sapiens to do various works which the great apes were not able to do. The usage of thumb is very important, and the evolution has led the Homo sapien to use the thumb in a way so that they can hold many things and also use the thumb in a way that they can do various things at a time. Now we will learn about some features of early man. From the previous slides, you saw some pictures of early man from where you saw how they looked like. Early man could walk on two legs. They no longer needed their hands to walk. They had long and dense hair on their body. They did not have tails like monkeys. Their head was bigger in size. Their hands and feet were also bigger in size. They did not know how to talk, but made noises from their mouth to communicate. Now we will see, what did the early man used to wear? You see, they did not know how to make clothes. So, they used skin of animals and leaves of trees and plants to cover their bodies. They even used mud to cover their bodies to protect themselves from heat, cold, and extreme weather. They had long hair on their body, which also used to protect them from extreme weather conditions. Thank you for watching this video and wait for part 2. Do subscribe our channel for more such informational videos for kids.